Bí quyết sống lâu của người Nhật. Takanashi always walks 3 kilometers a day. And he sometimes rides a motorbike. He often works in his garden. And he usually does martial arts in the morning. He is never stressed, and he is hardly ever ill. But Takanashi is 108 years old. Takanashi lives on the island of Okinawa in Japan. In Okinawa, people live a very long time. They are hardly ever ill. Many people live to be 100, more people than in other parts of the world. Why? What is their secret? A healthy diet. The Okinawans eat vegetables, fruit, fish, soya, and rice. They usually have 7 portions of fruit and vegetables a day. People don't usually drink much alcohol or smoke. They don't eat much meat or fast food. Exercise. Physical activity is very important for the people of Okinawa. Martial arts, walking, traditional dancing, and gardening are very popular with people of all ages. Low stress. In many countries, people have healthy diets and do exercise. But the unusual thing about the people in Okinawa is that they are not stressed. They are relaxed and take their time. Buses are hardly ever on time. And people often arrive an hour late for meetings. Every evening, hundreds of people, young and old, go to the beach to watch the beautiful sunset. People often meditate to relax. Always active. Another important thing is that people often work until they are 80. Sometimes until 90. In the Okinawan dialect, there's no word for retired. They are busy and active all their lives. Old people don't stay at home. They go out and meet friends. When journalists ask people, "What's the secret of your long life?" they answer, "We are happy, we are always positive, and we are never in a hurry." Mua vé online, tickets online. Last April, two British teenagers wanted to go to Australia for their summer holiday. But it was a 24-hour journey by plane, and tickets were very expensive. So, Jamie and Emma, aged 19, looked for cheap tickets on the internet. They were lucky, and they booked 2 tickets to Sydney. On the 4th of August, they arrived at Heathrow Airport. They checked in and waited for the plane to leave. Six hours later, they landed at a big airport and changed planes. I was a bit worried because the second plane was very small. But I didn't want to say anything to Jamie. After only an hour, the plane landed. We looked out of the window. It was a very small airport. We walked to the information desk. And I showed our tickets to the woman. When is our next flight? She looked at our tickets. The next flight? This is the end of your journey. Where did you want to go? Where are we? Do you think they were in Sydney? You're in Sydney. We are in Australia. Australia? No, you're in Canada. Canada? Ý nghĩa của những giấc mơ. Meanings of dreams. So, tell me, what did you dream about? It was at a party. There were a lot of people. What were they doing? They were drinking and talking. Were you drinking? Yes, I was drinking champagne. And then, what happened? Then, suddenly, I was in the garden. There were a lot of flowers. Flowers? Yes. What kind of flowers? I couldn't really see. It was dark. And I heard music. Somebody was playing the violin. The violin? Go on. And then I saw an owl. A big owl in the tree. How did you feel? Were you frightened? No, not frightened. Really, no. But I remembered I felt cold. Especially my feet. They were freezing. And then I woke up. Your feet? Very interesting indeed. So what does it mean, doctor? A party means you're going to have a lot of meetings at work. Yes, that's right. Champagne means you'll have a meeting with your boss about a possible promotion. I hope so. The flowers mean you are feeling positive about your promotion at work. It's true. The violin music means you're looking for a partner, perhaps. Yes, I am. And the big owl represents an old person. You will need to ask this person for help. I want to know if she loves me. And your cold feeling means you will need to find another woman.